Baltic Persian. Latvian. Baltic Persian, also known simply as Old Persian, is a Western Baltic language spoken by the Old Prussians in the region of East Prussia, now split between modern-day Poland, Lithuania, and Russia, in Kaliningrad Oblast. It is a member of the Indo-European language family and parts of the Baltic subgroup, closely related to Lithuanian and Latvian, but distinct in many features. Old Prussian is primarily known through a small number of surviving texts, such as the catechisms written in the 16th century. Baltic Prussian remains important for historical linguistics as it provides valuable insights into the early developments of the Baltic languages. Latvian is a member of the Baltic branch of the Indo-European language family, mainly spoken in Latvia, where it holds official status. It shares a close historical relationship with Lithuanian. Although the two languages are not mutually intelligible, Latvian has evolved significantly over the centuries, influenced by neighboring languages, which have shaped its vocabulary and grammar and is written in the Latin alphabet. As an official language of the European Union, Latvian plays a key role in preserving the cultural heritage and identity of the Latvian people.
Eins,
viens,
dvai,
divi,
trīs,
trīs,
keturie,
četri,
penkie,
pieci,
usie,
seši,
septiņie,
septiņi,
astoņi,
astoņi,
deviņi,
deviņi,
10.
10,
Mūsu Tēve, kas esi dāngu, seisi svētīts ēmens.
Tēvs mūsu, kas esi debesīs, svētīts lai top tavs vārds.
Pareisi tu jārīki, tu aizkoit savu dāsīsi, kai gen dāngu tev bīgi nozimin.
Lai atnāk tava valstība, tavs prāts, lai notiek kā debesīs, tā arī virs zemes.
Nūsandīninan geitindais nūmans šandīnan.
Mūsu dienišķo maizi dod mums šodien.
Bet vērpjais nūmans nūsans aušautins, kaigi mēs atvērpjamai nūsamans aušautinīkamans.
Un piedod mums mūsu parādus, kā arī mēs piedodam saviem parādniekiem.
Beni vedais mansen par bānden, skleit izrankīs mans ēzu vārgu.
Un neieved mūsu kārdināšanā, bet atpestī mūs no ļauna. Āmen.